Welcome back, guys, and as you can see, we're back in the van. Right, since I done the last video, which was questions and answers on fridge, TV and power source, I've had a few questions. I posted a video on the Facebook group, Vanlife or something like that, and a few questions. But one of the ones I want to get to today was somebody asked me, where's my bed? Well, I'm actually sitting on it. And how does your bed operate? So basically, that's all I'm going to do today is show you simply how the rock and roll bed operates. Bed, little catch here, pull them two back, and then the bed will just literally slide out. Boom. And then to put the bed away, guys, quite simple. Just grab her up halfway up the middle, break the seal, and then she'll just slide back in. Put the clips in. This is the back of the bed, guys. And as you can see then, as I was on about, you'll see where the headrests go on the back of the bed. There's cutouts. So when the bed actually goes down, the headrests go into there. And that's what makes it all complete. A few various types of these rock and roll beds on the market. You can get the three-piece, which is basically up, down, and then the seat, which is like call that a space saver, because the back of it then this year comes right up to the back door. Or you can get this one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and then on the back, which I like about this one, is you get a little seat here, which we call the sunset seat. So whenever I'm parked up at a nice beach, lake, any beautiful location, I sit here with a camera taking some photos, just watching the sun go down. So there you are, guys, there's the bed and how it operates. If you're in the process of doing a van, hopefully that helps you out and gives you some ideas. If you want any links or anything like that from where I purchased my bed from, leave a comment below and I'll happily reply and send you on any information I can do. Just want to give a shout out to two channels that I've been watching lately. Mr. Daz P1, I've been following Daz for probably 10-12 years. He got lots of great content on there, so have a look. And then he recommended me another one, which was Smithy's Kontiki. So have a look at his stuff. I've been watching him. Great content and very funny guy, some funny stuff on there. Another channel that I've been watching quite a lot of lately, and that's 2 Feet Forward. Have a look. There's loads of camping, and they've just purchased themselves a van, so they're doing loads of wild camps and van stuff. So have a look at that channel. Great channel, 2 Feet Forward. Right, thanks for watching. Give us the thumbs up if you haven't subscribed. Do that now.